Hello friends, we are discuss about view menu in a menu toolbar of a Dreamweaver. Hello friends, we are discuss about view menu and insert menu of a menu toolbar of a Dreamweaver. First of all, go in create new and select HTML. Click on view menu. There are different options. Refresh design view and its shortcut key is F5. Live view and its shortcut key is Alt plus F11. Live view options, there are many other options. Disable JavaScript, disable plugins, highlight change in live code, show browser navigation bar, follow link continuously, automatically sync remote files, use testing server for document sources, HTTP request settings. Live view browsers, there are different options: back, forward, home, recent page, stop, refresh, refresh styles, address, edit the live view page in a new tab. Live code, inspect, and its shortcut key is Alt plus Shift plus F11. Head content, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus H. No script content. Here write means we use no script content. Table mode, there are two modes: standard mode, expanded tables mode, and its shortcut key is Alt plus F6. Visual aids, there are different options: hide all, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus I. Right means we are using it. CSS layout backgrounds, CSS layout box model, CSS layout outlines, AP elements outline, table width, table borders, frame borders, image maps, invisible elements. Style rendering, there are different options: handled media type, print media type, projection media type, screen media type, TTY media type, TV media type, display styles, increase text size, decrease text size, increase text size, decrease text size, show link styles, show visited styles, show hover styles, show active styles, show focus styles. Code view options, there are verb, line numbers, hidden characters, highlight invalid code, syntax coloring, auto indent, syntax error alert in info bar. Window size, there are different window size given. Magnification, in a magnification, zoom in and zoom out options are given. In zoom in, shortcut key is Ctrl plus equal to. Zoom out, in shortcut key is Ctrl plus minus. Here we using 100% and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus 1. Ruler, there are different options: show, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus R. Reset origin, pixel, we are using pixels. Right means we are using pixels. Inches, centimeters. Grid, there are three options: show grid, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus G. Snap to grid, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus G. and third one grid settings. Guides, there are different options, and right click means we are using right now. Show guides, lock guides, snap to guides, guide snap to element, edit guides, and other size are given. Tracing image, plugins, there are four options. Play, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus P. Stop, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus X. Play all, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus P. Stop all, and its shortcut key is Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus X. Display external files, color icons, hide panels, and hide panel shortcut key is F4. Toolbars, there are four options: style rendering, documents, standard, browser navigation, related file. There are source code. Thank you for watching this tutorial.